Kunika ji knows me personally, like she's seen this side of me. So I think once that emotional spark goes on, this is also the feedback that I got, that you got too emotionally invested on the show and the people. And I might agree with that, but I'm also proud of the fact that I am an emotional person, because that is what makes me human. वो ही मुझे इंसान बनाता है. एंड अगर मेरे इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट से मेरा गेम प्ले बुरा हुआ है तो ठीक है, फिर मैं इमोशनल इंसान हूँ. एंड अगेन कमिंग बैक टू व्हाट डिसअपॉइंटेड मी अबाउट माई सेल्फ इज दैट आई शुड हैव कॉल्ड हिम आउट, but he tried to patch up things with me and I got very emotionally inclined there. So these are the two disappointments. But there's one thing that really hurt me, and it actually got me anxious for a very long time besides the narrative part, is that Nehal Chudasama was targeted in every weekend ka war. 9 weeks I was inside the house, except for that secret room wala eviction. Every time Nehal Chudasama was targeted, be it something as small as a, like a 2 on 10 mistake, or as big as a 9 on 10 mistake, even for the things where I was misunderstood. For
What
example,
would you say?
For example, the weekend का वार जहाँ पर मुझसे वुमन कार्ड फड़वाया था, फरहा मैम was hosting that one, and I still remember that day. 29 years of my life, I've represented India at Miss Universe. I've always stood for women. ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस रहे जहाँ पर मैंने अपनी गाड़ी रोक के अगर कोई किसी पे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस कर रहा है, मी नॉट नोइंग हु दैट वुमन इज़, आई हैव ड्रॉप्ड हर टू दैट प्लेस, आई हैव टेकन टू हर टू द पुलिस स्टेशन माई सेल्फ, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ इंस्टेंसेस दैट I'm not even opening up about it, where I have empowered other women, where I have helped them, where I have gone out of my comfort zone in my life, and मैंने उनको उठाया है. But उस दिन जब मुझसे वुमन कार्ड फड़वाया, even after knowing, even after giving them the clarity that me being overwhelmed in a certain situation had come out of a personal experience, a personal trauma, and I am a person who, if she gets overwhelmed once, I cannot speak up. I have to feel my anxiety, I have to feel my emotion, which is what I had done on the show. So there are multiple disappointments.